Hey guys, how's it going? It's Seaman Reasons here, just trying to get through and get some comm stuff. I'm using this map as basically a test run because it's small and yeah, get going on it. This comms will basically try and be a resource for the clan to see that would be easy to apply and understand and use if people wanted to. If people do like what I'm doing and want to have input into it, I'm going to be getting a bit more into it over the coming weeks, doing as much as I can with the time that I have. But basically I would start off by, I don't know, taking an overall. At the moment here, this is north heading, this is west, and this is east. This is basically how the spawn screen looks like when you zoom in, or when you spawn in. I've done this a few times, so I hope this doesn't crash or something happens. It's been a bit glunky. Sorry for the quality. I need to sort out OBS or whatever it's called, that app, because at the moment Nvidia and YouTube don't like each other for their file formats and upload settings, blah blah, but that's technical difficulties. So I thought I would start by taking a screenshot of the overall map and the routes between everything, and then basically see if people wanted to give them names. Obviously there's lots of different routes here, so there's a bridge there, so you know, whatever, this point here, you know, I've already played this map quite a few times, so I know there's different points of contention and places that would be good to know, choke points and places. I thought I would start today by just having a look at this C point here on Charlie flag and giving these houses names, because there's quite a few, I think there's 13, 12 of them here. I thought the easiest way would be to divide them up into rows, so I'm going to the south side here, so the compass is flipped around, so we're facing south now, but I was going to divide them up into rows. So this would be one here by itself, and this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, another 1, 2, 3, 4 here. So what I was going to say, I was going to call this the top 1, top 2, top 3, top 4, and then I'd go to the middle here. Middle, I don't like that one. I'd say middle 1, middle 2, middle 3, middle 4, then bottom. Then I'd call this south, south 1 and south 2. Obviously that's not a house, but whatever. They're both kind of defensible points, so I think they're probably worthy of their own call out. Then I'll call this West 1 and West 2. So we're heading from west to east, so from left to right. So because this is the north direction up here, I think this method of naming things from west or in rows, if that is possible by the map layout. So West 1, West 2, and then also high 1, high 2, high 3, and then high 4 behind there, and then middle 1. No, that's middle 1 here, middle 2, middle 3, middle 4, low 1, and then south 1. Any input from people that think of different things that I'm missing? Obviously there's lots of other things to be considered, such as areas where fortifications can be, but at the moment I think it's just easier to concentrate on the paths between routes and the naming of defensible points such as houses. So if I was going to go to Echo here, I would generally say that this, I could say Echo flag, south 1. And then moving from west to east or left to right, I would say south 2. So Echo flag south 2, you know exactly where that is. It was what? 3, 4 words. And then we can say Echo flag north 1. There are other possible, I guess, in the scheme of things, for myself, it's just good to know to get the grips with the map and the directions and orientate yourself so that you know where the north is and the different callouts for directions. I need to take a screenshot and work further on this, but anyway, I'm blabbling. I just was going to put this out there and see what people thought, and if my method of getting through this kind of map callouts and how to get my method is a good one, and if there's anything I'm missing, if we wanted to come to a consensus about what things were called, if they're called flags or caps, or yeah, just seeing what people thought. Maybe there's some veterans out there that want to add something, but yeah, just throwing this out there. If seeing what people how people think, and if I should continue on the track that I'm on and continue through the maps and do things. Obviously I need to put some stuff up here and clean up my thread, it's a mess. But yeah, just checking that out there now. But anyways, game on guys.